Hello everyone. Today we are going to make Google Chrome faster if your Google Chrome is running slow, lagging, or not responding. We will speed up Google Chrome by doing very simple steps. Make sure you watch the whole video. So let's get started. Open Google Chrome, and at the top right corner you see these three dots. So you just need to click on that and then go to Settings. Now here at the left-hand side, we need to click on System, and here you will find System and Reset Cleanup. Now, make sure the Continue Running Background Apps when Google Chrome is closed should be turned off, and turn on Hardware Acceleration when Available is turned on. Now, we will restore settings to their default. Now it will not delete any of your bookmark history or save passwords. So please don't worry about it. Just click on Reset Settings and it will reset the whole Google Chrome without deleting your bookmark history and passwords. Once this is done, go back to the left-hand side and click on Extensions. Now in Extensions, make sure whatever the unwanted, unnecessary extensions are there, please remove that. I have seen people have more than 20 unknown extensions installed. So remove all of them which you do not use and then just close it. Now press Window and R key together in your keyboard and type ncpa.cpl and hit OK. A new window will appear. Select your Wi-Fi adapter or Ethernet adapter and then go to Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4, then go to Properties. And here, we are going to enter Google DNS with this. We will be able to load all websites faster because it is one of the most fastest DNS, which resolves the website way faster. So just type 8 and then use Tab or just use arrow key 8. 8, and here 2 times 8 and 2 times 4. So the first one is a primary one and second one is the secondary one. Just hit OK and then close. Now restart the computer and see the change.